Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Dell UltraSharp 27-inch monitor with a USB-C hub, and this is model U2719D. So as you can see, quite a stunner, and we're going to go right into the unboxing and try this monitor out. You got to lay it flat, so you can see here, very nice, and the back of it here with all the ports. But you do get an HDMI, a display port, a USB-C display port, another regular display port, full size, two USBs, 3.5mm headphone jack, an Ethernet gigabit connection, and an extra two USB ports on the side, and one that can still charge when it's off. Let's lay this flat. I'm going to open it up with a little wrench here. Don't have scissors at the moment, but you know, that's how it goes. So let's just cut it away, just like that. And so this pops down, like that. Okay, let's flip it up. It was upside down. So let's pop it up here. So as you can see, right here, it's all laid flat in this little box. We got some color calibration factory report. They actually color calibrate it right to its spec. So that's really sweet. Put that over there. We've got a big display port, which is pretty sick. That's chunky. Really well made cables. These look like they'll last a very long time. A really big Type-C cord. Never can have enough of those. And a little bit of warranty, safety, and regulatory information. So we'll just put that off the side. Oh my god, and a big, wow, that's a fatty. That's a 3-prong, same as your PC. Put that off to the side. Holy, is it just huge. Huge. So this slips up here. And just lift that up. And this is the base. So we'll just unwrap that quickly. Holy, jeez, what a whole thing, eh? Okay, so we'll just put that there for now. Let's put that down. And this is the stand that can go vertical and horizontal. So this bad boy opens up here. So this can go right here. Screw it on quickly. And I don't think you need tools for this kind of stuff. It has even like a little lever for it. A little spot to twist. Tighten that up. Fold it back down. Just like that. Oh, this is just tough. And they don't make you pay $1,000 extra for the stand. Okay, we'll just lift this out. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, we'll just lift this up here. Sweet. So this is a 1440p monitor as well. So 2560 by 1440. So and unwrap this. Okay. Don't need the box anymore. And we'll just assemble it here. Should just click into place actually. Just like that. That's super easy. And okay, let's peel off this bad boy. Just like that. Here's your Dell 27-inch UltraSharp monitor. Holy, I don't even think it will reach in the video here. Oh yeah, it will. So you can lower it there. Wow, that is huge, eh? Let's plug it in, see how it looks. So let's plug this one into this monitor here. You kind of see what it's like. This is already a 1440p laptop. Let's plug it in with this fat cord here. Just that. See if this works here. Just like that. Try turning it on. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh, let's check where's that. Yes, we do want. Well, just like that. So that's kind of how it looks. It's really sharp, and you can angle it any way you'd like. It won't show in the video, but you can even tilt it, just like this. Angle it up a bit. You can have it totally portrait, which is just insane. Yeah, it has all these crazy ports in it as well. My god, it's quite the beast. And obviously this is just LED, but still the picture quality is quite amazing. Let's put it back to normal here. So that's kind of the unboxing and kind of the experience with this Dell UltraSharp 27-inch. It's almost like all you need really in Windows 10 or even on the Mac. Fully adjustable, so you can have a perfect viewing angle, so it's better for your back and stuff. So, and all the inputs are just around the back here, so you can run them all in, and you have extra 2 USB ports. So this is just a built-in hub within the monitor, and it kind of makes sense how it uses the 3-prong connector here. And this stand is plastic. All this is plastic, but it's super light as well, so you can actually move it around a bit better, but it's very secure. It's not going anywhere. The rubberized underneath here is not going to be moving anytime soon. And this also has Type-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI. The 3 things you really need in a monitor to output to any device. It supports all of the DisplayPort options there. It must go up to like 1.2 or something for the DisplayPort, and the Type-C. I don't think it's Thunderbolt. Yeah, even this laptop here, you can output right to this monitor here. That's kind of the unboxing of the Dell UltraSharp 27-inch. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.